Answers in 2. I'm gonna say my answers in 1. Oh, actually, I gotta. Okay, trade books in 3. Trade books in 2. Trade books in 1. And all books should be traded. I'm gonna start saying my answers now. Mark them right or wrong. Hey, if you miss it, you miss it. I am not repeating. Listen up. Number 1 is 5. Number 2 is -5. We should be marking. I should see all people marking the paper. Number 3 is -5. Number 4 is +5. Number 5 is +10. Number 6 is 10. Number 7 is -10. I like how Leland's marking everything. Number 8 is -10. Number 9 is 15. Number 10 is -15. Number 11 is -15. Number 12 is 15. Number 13 is -20. Number 14 is +20. Number 15 is 24. Number 16 is -24. Number 17 is -30. Number 18 is -30. Number 19 is +36. And 20 is -36. Give me a thumbs up if your person got past 20 of these. Okay, we're going to keep going. Number 21 is 35. Number 22 is -35. Number 23 is +24. Number 24 is -24. Number 25 is -32. Number 26 is -40. Number 27, I hear a noise when I should. Much better. Number 27 is -48. Number 28 is -42. Number 29 is 49. Number 30 is 56. Give me a thumbs up if the person is rating got past number 30. Okay, I'm going to keep going. Number 31. Oh, actually, thank you, Second 2, for being ready. I'm going to give you a bonus solid. All right. Number 31 is -72. Number 32 is -81. Number 33 is 63. Number 34 is 77. Number 35 is -84. Give me a thumbs up if the person got more than 35 done. Okay. Number 36 is 96. Number 37 is -108. Number 38 is -99. Number 39 is 121. Number 40 is 132. Give me a hand up if your person got more than 40. Nope. Okay. Then the last 4 are 41 is 143. 42 is 156. 43 is -168. And 44 is 180. Now, with that being said, take 5 seconds, count on how much they got wrong. Specifically, how much they got wrong out of what they did. We should be counting up in 3, counting up in 2, counting up in 1. I like how Zoe's writing that number on top of their page. Pass back the books in 3. Trade back the books in 2. Trade back the books in 1. All books should be traded. I need eyes up here in 3. I'm waiting for eyes up here in 2. I need eyes up here in 1. And I need eyes up here in 0. I'm waiting on 2 people. I'm waiting on 2 people still. I'm waiting on a person in sector 1. Thank you so much. Hey, amigos. With that being said, we're going to see real quick. Give me a strong hand if you feel like it. Actually, give me a thumbs up if you got 2 wrong. If you got less than 2 wrong. If you got less than 1 wrong. If you got none of them wrong, then you try it. Nope. Give me a thumbs up if you feel like you have, or give me a hand up if you have the most done in the class. You feel like. Demetrius, how many?
Both of them?
Where are we? How many did you do, Demetrius?
Well, I didn't do 29, but I did 30. I went to 35.
So you skipped 1, so you got 34 problems, right? Okay. Anybody else do 34 problems, right? Jalen, you got more than that?
No, I got 30.
Anyone else got more than 34? Dejan, how'd you get? Anyone else got more than 36? Derek.
I'm on 37.
Anybody got more than 37? Zurion. Anybody got more than 40? Xavier, got more than 40?
42.
Anybody got 41? 42. Oh, and Cabrera said 42. Anybody got more than 42?
No.
Going once. Going twice. Oh my gosh. What's up?
So,
Alasia, early dismissal. Adios, amigos. Hey, give me that huge solid. Get to page 219 in the next 5. Get to page 219 in the next 4. 219 in the next 3. I should be walking around and seeing people getting to page 219 in the next 2. Never mind, technical difficulties. And 1. Here's what I'm gonna have us do. Let's see. Turn and talk. Tell the person next to you what was the hardest part about that spread so far. Go. I got all of them.
Oh, yeah.
You were saying the answer is bad.
there's no.
Eyes up here at 2. Eyes up here at 1. Hey amigos, you should have a table. Mario level 2. Mario level 2. Thank you. Let's keep it going. Hey, up here, you should have a table that's similar to what you see on your thing, except the division expression columns is not filled out. Do me a huge solid. Take the next 15 seconds. Fill in that first column on your table. I like how I immediately start doing that. You have 13, 12. Oh, we can't see. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. I'm sorry. Okay. You have. Oh no. The first one is 8 divided by 4. The second one says negative 8 divided by negative 4. Here we go. You have another 10 seconds to fill in. Oh, let me zoom it down. You have another 10 seconds to fill in that first row. Column, I mean. You have 5. You have 4. 3. 2. 1. And 0. At this present moment, do me a favor, Joshua. Read the first one. Read that first division expression for me. Yep. What's that first division expression we're working with? 8 divided by 4. Sakura, read the next one. Sifa, read the third one. And Demetrius, read the last one.
Negative 8 divided by.
Hey, strong hand, what do these have in common? Sky, what do they have in common? They all have an 8 and a 4, kind of, sort of, right? Okay. What are they different, or how are they different? Leland, how are they different?
Because there are 4 groups and 8, and negative 8, so that's not be divided.
Okay, there's a lot of division happening. What's different about the division expressions, Alexis? What's different about these division expressions? Okay, some of these have either they're both positive, they're both negative. They might have one of each sign. So here's what I'm going to offer to you. What's going to happen is I do want us to fill out this table. Can I get a, let's see, Damari, read what this column is titled. Strong voice, man. I hear you talk louder than that every day. Come on.
Unknown factor equation.
Okay, Dejane, next column. And last column, Brittany, what's it say? Last one. Fraction form, what's that last word? Evaluated. Hey, I want us to be able to fill out this table. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to ask you first things first. Take your pencil up. Take your pencil up. Take your pencil up. I'm going to help us out with that first row, and then I know that's going to be too much for me, right? I'm going to get a grant. So you're going to have to do the rest of it. I want us. Okay. Scratch that, scratch that. I'm going to give you 3 minutes. You and your partner go ahead and, partner, yeah. You and your partner go ahead and fill out this table as much as you can with what you can remember. Hey, real quick, to evaluate something needs to do what? To evaluate something needs to do what? Yeah, to find the answer, right? An equation needs to have what in it? An an equation needs to have what in it?
Equal sign.
Okay. With that being said, you got 3 minutes with your partner. I want to walk around and see all pencils moving, all people talking to each other and collaborating. 3, 2, 1, go. Huh? You do not get this? How about you try?
No, you're not.
No. So we're gonna just rewrite on the back equation. Let's start with this, right? This is the same as saying so 8 divided by 4 is the same as 4 times 4. So you know that, right?
Bro, I'm not a so bro. You're not funny, bro.
8 divided by 4. The fraction, bro. Yeah. So with this part, we're taking every division problem we see, score value. The division problem that we have, we're turning to unknown factor equation. This division problem is asking us 8 divided by 4. It's also saying what number times 4 is 8. Yeah. And so when you evaluate it, right, 8 divided by 4 is 2. The fraction form is going to be 1. Show me. What's up? So turn this into a fraction. Perfect. Now in this case, right, unknown factor equation, factor is what operation?
You guys have a minute and 25 seconds left.
There has to be something on time basis against something unknown, right? So the number that we have, is another number there. Check yourself.
Move my ears right here. It's Cabrera. I move my ears.
Not at all.
So, Cabrera.
I don't hear a lot of collaboration.
This person is not working. My partner is not working. I'm confused. She's not doing her work. She just seems right on. That's the
Kiddos, eyes up here in 3, eyes up here in 2, eyes up here in 1. I'm gonna pause us. I'm gonna go ahead and pause us. I saw a lot of cool stuff. I'm gonna clarify what I want to see in each of these rows. I'm gonna do the first one. So what I need from you is that you're checking your first row to make sure it matches what I'm about to put on my board. Okay? So for the unknown factor equation, a factor implies what operation? I'm sorry, I'll try that again. A factor implies what operation? Multiplication, right? So I'm going to show some multiplication over here. There's an unknown factor. That means one of these is going to have like a blank, right? In this case, I see 8 divided by 4. That's the same as saying, Josh, do you have an idea? What do you think?
4 times blank equals 8.
Do we have any questions there? I'm going to pause this. I'm going to keep going, and then I want us to try to do it with our partners. You want to add something?
Yeah, I just want to add something.
Yeah.
So notice, kiddos, that 4 and 8 are in the expression. So I didn't add any other additional values to it. I kept 4 and 8. Okay? So we're trying to find the puzzle, but we have to make sure we get the original values.
Yep. In this case, evaluated means get me my answer. So this would be the same as saying 8 divided by 4. Now we have our equal sign, right? Equals what number? 2. What's 8 divided by 4, y'all? 2. Okay, thank you. In this case, that's what I'm looking for there. For our fraction form, we actually did that earlier during our module 1 with ratios and proportions. Strong hand, how am I going to write 8 divided by 4 as a fraction? Omar.
4 over 8.
Let's see. Do we agree or disagree?
I say 8.
Okay, Dictionary, what would you say instead?
You gotta flip it to.
Okay, so what would I write?
8 over 4.
8 over 4. Do we agree or disagree with Dictionary? Okay, Omar.
I definitely agree.
For our numerator, that's the first thing that we're dividing, right? Omar. Our numerator is that first number. Our denominator is the second number. So you were this close. Hey, amigos. Yeah. So we're gonna evaluate that too. 8 divided by 4 is what?
2.
So, I'm looking to see something similar for each of the other rows involving the numbers that they give us here. Okay? You still have a minute 45 left. If you already did some of these rows, fix what you need to fix. If you didn't do some of them, continue on. And then after a minute 45, we're going to move on. Keisha, you want to add something?
Yeah, I do want to add something. I'll also be walking around looking for evaluated. We said evaluated means to solve. So because we're practicing our annotation skills, I should see everybody have put a box around evaluated and put solve.
Solve.
Because evaluate means to solve the problem. Okay? So anytime you see the word evaluate, that means that you need to solve it. And there goes.
Go.
Sophia has added solve to her problem.
Same thing. So we have 4 times blank, 8. How is that something here?
Jamia has added solve to her problem. Rashad has added solve to his problem. I'm still waiting on Zuri to add solve. So I just see. Thank you. Go ahead.
You should know that if you can like use our English. Why do you have some good What happened in my 20-something years? I didn't get writing. Let's see. So what do you notice between the signs that we start with and the sign we answer? Okay, Jimmy. Over here we have what happened. You have 36 seconds left. You should be on that last row.
Bro, some coffee, do the work. I need help with you on your story. It's not like
We don't know yet, right? Equals what? Alright, kiddo, eyes up here in 3. Eyes up here in 2. We got eyes up here in 1. And now I see eyes up here. I like how all of sector 3 is tracking me. Bonus dollars there. I'm waiting on one more sector to have everybody tracking me. Thank you, I have them. Okay. So in this case, I'm actually gonna press a button that's gonna throw the answers up here. Double check to see if it matches what you got. 3, 2, 1. Ooh.
I got it right.
I can make it a little more visible. Hey, take 10 seconds. Ooh, actually, can we see that? Can we turn on the lights a little bit? Alright, hey amigos. Take 5 seconds. Check your work. Tweak what you need to tweak. 4. Check 3. 2. We're gonna keep it pushing in 1. Hey, eyes up here in 2. Eyes up here in 1. Thank you, Jayla. Thank you, Joshua. I'm waiting on 2. I'm waiting on 2 still. Okay, over here.